Welcome. In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun icon. And this is the screen brightness icon. And you can adjust the brightness by tapping on this icon repeatedly. Basically, you can cycle between different levels of brightness. And we have auto brightness, level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, and 5. So set the brightness to your liking. For example, I'm gonna set it to 3, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through the settings. So if you open the menu by pressing the crown button, scroll down and find the settings icon. Then tap on settings icon to open the settings. In settings, find the display and brightness, tap on it, and here tap on brightness. Disable the automatic brightness and then tap on customize. And you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.